Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create your YouTube channel in 2 easy steps. But before we dive right in, my name is Cynthia and I'll be guiding you on how to make money from YouTube. I'll be showing you the tricks and the gimmicks, and you don't have to worry your busy head. So let's dive in. So you open your YouTube app. At this top here, this icon here, this is where you sign into your Gmail account. YouTube is also owned by Google, so Google owns YouTube, Gmail, and the normal Chrome Google that you know. So they are all YouTube and Gmail, they are all search engines where you can search for stuff and you get results. So once you click on this icon over there, you can see this Sparrow Plus. This Sparrow Plus is the YouTube channel I created with a different email account, but I want to let me quickly switch to a new Gmail I created for this purpose. So I'm switching now. Okay, so now if you have a new Gmail account and you've just logged into a new Gmail account on your YouTube, this is how it's going to look like. This is a new Gmail account. It has no YouTube channel on it. So what do you do? How do you create your channel? You come to your channels and automatically it just brings you to where you create it, because you don't have an existing channel. So you could just say make money. Online, and then you clear this up and create channel. Okay, let's add the online down. Okay, so create channel, and voila, your channel has been created. This is our new channel, Make Money Online. So if you want to edit, you just click on edit. Then you can change the channel name in case you got the better name. You can also add description of showing you how to make money online. This is just a tip, just something. So you can now set the privacy, keep all my subscription private, keep all my saved playlists private. So if you can want to undo this so that it will be public to everybody, and then you can add your banner, thumbnail, and all that. So this is how to create your YouTube channel with 2 easy steps. It's as simple as that. No big deal. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope to see you in our next tutorial, where I will be giving you step by step. I'll be guiding you step by step on how to properly set up your already created YouTube channel. Until we meet again, my name is Cynthia. See you. Bye.